Hello friends, get ready for progressive dictation. Okay, start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, the day the statement was to be made by the Honorable Minister, we were under the impression that a comprehensive statement would be forthcoming. A comprehensive statement giving us an idea of what had gone wrong, where, why, how, what was proposed to be done, where, why, and how. Unfortunately, the Honorable Minister has come out merely with two small proposals, small not from the point of view of the common man, but small from the point of view of the onerous task which lies before the finance minister. The deficit is going to cross all imaginable limits. The situation is at crisis point. Though inflation in the manner in which we calculated is yet in the double digit stages, real inflation as it affects the common man in terms of essential commodities is rising much more rapidly. It is practically 3 times the pace of inflation as we calculate it, and a triple digit inflation is round the corner. I would like to warn this house that a triple digit inflation is round the corner and we are all sleeping. It is about time that we woke up to the reality. The reality which has come about as a result of the total trip down of trade, transport, commerce, daily life from the last few months in this country. It is now, of course, coming back to normal, but the effect of this will be felt for a long time to come. I would like to know from the Honorable Finance Minister what is proposed to be done about the Gulf crisis. He mentioned about the Gulf crisis. The Gulf crisis is not one factor of the price of oil alone. India faces a major problem in that we had only one or two traditional sources of supply. Our major problem today is that we are having to look for new sources of supply which are not available to us at a normal rate. Even the prices which are prevailing in the international market are not available to us today because we are going to the sources which are unfamiliar with us and which we are unfamiliar with. I would like to know the details of this because I am sure the Honorable Finance Minister is aware. All the approvals have to be taken by him. The previous Finance Minister had stopped aid to the oil deal which was taking place with Malaysia prior to the Gulf crisis. Stop. If you like this dictation, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.